we're finally going to go rescue Harvey, our 1976 VW Bay. I'm going with my dad today.
Hello from Shay's driver.
Need to get the winch hooked up today. Doubt Harvey's going to move. Dad's coming up here now with the trailer. Harvey's going to see the light of day after 3 years stuck in a shed. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Just found a giant wasp. Whoa! Giant wasp's nest.
Killer.
Better not forget the PPE. Battery trays are cooked. This one's just non-existent. Nope, gone. That whole door, bottom of that whole door, the outer shells. The wheel arch has had how many repairs? And some optional air conditioning. All the spare parts. We got some others in our garage. Same with the driver's side. Same story. Bumper mount isn't in the best shape either. Still got it sold though. And this rust stain looks like it's saying hello. By the trusty T5. never thought I'd see this day. Harvey's home!
Hey, you jump in.
He's in! Something tells me this isn't going to stay clean for too long.
Okay, front. We're going to start with the front. Front panel. Yeah, maybe right. It's smaller than that. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Front panel. Top inner front. Right. And the next one you're going to write in between them two.
Killer.
Too much stuff. This is only the upper. Now it's time to see what's underneath. Oh no. A good house is only as good as its foundation, and this foundation isn't very good. Rear jacking points, I can literally put my finger through them if I had a screwdriver. Toast. Chassis leg, we can actually keep. This is good. The main chassis, okay. Everything else seems to be pretty bad. Front jacking points, awful.
You can actually see through it. That's the air conditioning. What else have I got? The main pipe for the wiring loom, non-existent. And your sills. Rear jacking point as well, gone. You can see somebody's tried to restore it before. That's the evidence of old sealer. Look at that, that's just horrible. We might get this done by the time you're 73, Shay. There's the rear valance there. Toast. Yee.
All of this has to go into this. how much we have to repair. Like and subscribe for part 2, or else we'll have to start a GoFundMe for all these extra parts and this film behind me.